what's up, Sam here. I'm like unboxing other Eleglide products. I've never been so excited, so pumped, you know. The product I'm going to introduce today is the Eleglide Tankroll. As you probably know from the name, it's like a tank. That's right, that's the first 5-tire e-bike from Eleglide. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Boxes. That's the stuff you get right out of the box. Charging the cable. We have a multi-language menu, also some other accessories, like pedals and some screws, and that's it. First, let's get rid of the foam. Oh, these are all the stuff you can get from the box. Now, let's assemble it. Next step, the front wheel. Now the brake clipper. Now the front wheel is installed. Now let's spin it. As we can see, it's not smooth, so we have to adjust the brake lever a little bit. Now it's smooth. Let's install others. Now the pedals. Now the back reflector. Alright, that's it. Now we install the LCD display. Alright, that's it. 3 things I really like this Tankroll. First, it's easier to assemble. It comes with 95% pre-assembled, so it doesn't require much work from your end. Second is this 5-tire, my favorite. So definitely it's gonna give you a really comfortable riding experience on all kinds of terrains. Third is the beautiful and elegant design. Check this out. This is really premium and high-end. It also got LCD display, removable battery, and you just check out. Wow, it's great, right? So please subscribe if you haven't. We are gonna do a really detailed review about it. I'm Sam, see you in the next one.